Baqir was a poor shepherd boy who lived on the outskirts of a small village. Though he had little, his heart was generous. One evening, as he led his flock home, Baqir heard a faint, pained cry from the thorny bushes near the river. Curious, Baqir pushed aside the brambles and found a small, golden-furred goat with its leg tangled in the thorns. Its golden eyes gleamed with fear. Though his own clothes were ragged and his stomach empty, Baqir carefully freed the goat, even tearing his sleeve to bandage its bleeding leg. He gave it water from his flask and the last piece of his bread. The golden goat nuzzled his hand gratefully before vanishing into the twilight. The next morning, Baqir woke to find a single golden coin on his doorstep. Confused, he searched for its owner, but no one claimed it. That evening, the golden goat returned, now glowing faintly, and left another coin before disappearing again. On the third night, the goat finally spoke. "Golden goat, you showed me kindness when none other would. These coins are yours, but remember they shine only if shared. The moment greed takes root, the gold will turn to dust." Baqir the boy, overjoyed, began using the coins to help his village. Baqir the boy bought grain for the hungry, repaired crumbling homes, and even gifted a new well. The villagers called him blessed, and for the first time Baqir knew true happiness. But whispers of Baqir's fortune reached Nawaz, the richest merchant in town. Greed burned in Nawaz's heart as he watched the shepherd's generosity. Why should a beggar boy have such power? One night, Nawaz the greedy boy snuck into Baqir's hut and stole the golden goat. Locking it in a gilded cage in his mansion, he demanded coins, but the goat stood still, its glow fading. Nawaz the greedy boy shook it, shouted, even offered it jewels, but all he received was a single blackened, crumbling coin. Meanwhile, Baqir the boy woke to find his goat gone. At first, he panicked, then he realized his own greed had begun creeping in. Just days before, he had refused a starving traveler a coin, thinking, what if the magic runs out? Now he understood the goat's warning. Baqir the boy searched everywhere until he heard of Nawaz's strange new treasure. He rushed to the merchant's house, where Nawaz sneered, "Nawaz, your golden goat is useless. Take it, it's brought me nothing but trouble." The golden goat was weak, it's dull. Baqir the boy cradled it gently and carried it back to the hills where they'd first met. There he gave it his last piece of bread and whispered, "Baqir, forgive me." As the sun set, a frail old woman approached, her hand trembling. "Old woman, please sir, I haven't eaten in days." Baqir the boy hesitated. He had nothing left. Then he remembered the one golden coin still hidden in his pocket, saved for himself. Without a word, he placed it in her palm. Instantly, the golden goat glowed brighter than ever, and golden coins spilled around them like rain. From that day on, Baqir, the boy, and the golden goat lived humbly, their magic growing stronger with every act of sharing. Nawaz, however, grew poorer, his wealth rotting away like the blackened coin he'd received. For envy, like greed, withers the soul. And so the villagers learned true riches lie not in gold, but in a heart that gives. Kids, what you learn, greed loses, gratitude wins. Envy corrupts, but kindness returns tenfold.